Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I will be showing you how I made these cute magnetic bookmarks using Kittl as my design space and my Cricut Maker for a cutting machine. A list of all the items you need are listed in the description box below. Without further ado, let's get started. To design my bookmarks, I will be using the Kittl platform. It's a great AI design platform for creators. I've enjoyed taking a thought and letting AI create exactly what I want, and the options to edit are endless. The first step is to type in the prompt box what you would like to create. I will be creating kawaii-style animals reading the Bible for my designs. Click Create, and the Kittl goes to work to produce the image you'd like. It usually takes less than a minute for me. I wanted to create about 5 or 6 designs. To do this, I clicked on the white box and updated the prompt with the animal that I wanted, repeated the process until I had all of the designs that I was looking for. A pro tip, I am using the pro version of Kittl, so I have a lot of tokens to use. If you are using the free version, there are limited amounts of tokens every month, so there are limited amounts of designs you can create. If you'd like to subscribe and save on a subscription, I recommend searching YouTube for Kittl subscription discount codes. I personally used Hanishi's Home discount code, and a link to her YouTube channel is listed in the description box below. Now that I have all the designs, I want to mirror them so we can create both sides of the magnetic bookmark. A great feature of Kittl, if you have text in your design and you want to preserve the readability when the image is rotated upside down, all you have to do is type in the prompt to mirror the image horizontally while preserving the text. Feel free to use the prompt on my screen. This will save you hours. Now I'm going to reorder each image so they correspond. This will make it easier for uploading on Cricut Design Space and finding the image that matches when you upload. Click all of the images, make sure to save as PNGs, remove the background, and optimize quality. Click on Export and save your designs locally. Alright, let's log into Cricut Design Space. I clicked on New Project and chose a blank canvas and uploaded all of the images. First step, For each image, we are going to create an outline layer or border for the print and cut feature. Click on the image, offset, and adjust the distance. You can drag across or type in the exact number you prefer. I usually like to keep it at 0.150. Next, we're going to adjust the color of the border from black to white so that the border isn't visible when I print the images. Click on Effects, Offset, Apply, and adjust the color. Repeat for each image. To make sure your images are the right size, click on the image, size, and adjust to your preference. I like to keep my designs between 2 to 3 inches and sometimes smaller. Please don't forget to update your metrics in your Cricut profile in either centimeters or inches, otherwise your images may print out massive. Next, I'm going to line up each image and rotate the upper side to 180 degrees. I'm still working on my design space skills. When I see those extra cut layers, I just delete them, but you can also flatten the image instead. Repeat for each image. We're going to create a bridge between the two images. Click on Shapes and select the square shape. Place it between each image and adjust the position. You can play around with the size. I chose to keep mine at about 1 by 3 inches. Click on the shape, arrange, move to the back like this. You can duplicate the shape and use it again. Now that we're done, you can also change the colors of the bridge. Click on the shape and the color square and play around until you find the color that you like. If the standard colors don't work for you, you can click on Advanced and there are more options there. Next, to make sure that each bookmark is cut as one image, I select the elements of the bookmark and click on Flatten, then click on Effects, Offset, and make sure that the distance is set to 0. Repeat the same process for each bookmark. Next, to ensure that the Cricut cuts around the shape at least 3 times, I duplicate the image. Select the cut lines, click on Print, then Cut, choose the basic option, click on the line, center, group the images, and repeat. I like to do this step by step so I don't forget to repeat the process exactly the same for each bookmark. It's much easier if you are creating just one bookmark, of course, but I'm doing so many designs and I'd like to repeat it step by step. Next, you want to reposition the image and bring the design to the front. Click on Arrange and then Bring to Front. Now let's center all of our designs. Click on the line, then Center and Attach. I know this is a lot of information at this point, so feel free to pause and rewind at every step. Practice does make perfect. Now that all of our bookmarks are attached, we're going to create the Print and Cut Guide square. The size needed for Cricut is 6.75 by 9.25. Let's zoom in and bring all of our designs to the front position. For this tutorial, I'll only be printing the designs in the square, and I'll print the rest of my bookmarks later. Next, you can click on the Guide Square and Hide button. Click on all of the images and attach. This will make sure that the machine cuts the designs in the order that they appear. A quick tip: Design Space will tell you if an image is too large. You will see this rectangle red with an exclamation mark. I usually click on the Auto Resize option, and it will resize the images for me. Click on Make. Now what you see here is an outline of what the print will look like on the Cricut mat. The material size is standard US letter. Click Continue and send to your printer. I'm using my Epson EcoTank ET-2800, and the settings I used are listed in the description box below. Once you've set your document for printing, you can set the Cricut Cut settings. Now this step is optional, but I'm going to be adding holographic laminate paper to my bookmarks. To avoid wasting paper, I cut out the shape so that it fits into the box, and I use the remaining paper scraps for other projects. Then I use a squeegee to press down to make sure there are no air bubbles. It has a felt edge, which is great for smoothing down paper. Next, I'm going to put the bookmark print on the Cricut mat. I'm using the standard grip mat, but you can use a lighter grip if you want. I also use a roller to make sure everything is laid down smoothly and it sticks. Time to cut! Alright, now we're back. To remove the paper, a pro tip that I've seen on YouTube is to turn the Cricut mat upside down and gently peel off the paper. Next, I'm going to add the magnets. I'm using square magnets I purchased at a local dollar store. These are affordable and there are so many in the pack, about 200 in this one. I peel 2 off and make sure they magnetize before I place them on the bookmark. I then fold and press down firmly. There you have it, you have your very own DIY magnetic bookmarks. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content. And leave your video requests below. Thanks everyone. Bye!